What's up guys, I'm back and today we are going to be reviewing fidget packages. So we have gotten fidget packages. We gotten these two.
I don't know where and who's sending these fidget packets to her, but we want to thank you for sending these packages to her. Hey, there's a label right there, Rihanna. What does it say?
What, my hair?
No, right there, look, on this side. What does that say? Maybe it's them.
This is just the company thing.
Maybe that's who's sending them to you.
Did you order them?
Mm-mm. That's what I'm saying. I don't know how come you got so many packages.
Okay, well whoever sent this, thank you so much. We're so grateful.
And we are going to review them.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start off with the box. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so there's this.
More fidgets. Oh my god.
Square
Ariana has so many fidgets. It's crazy.
Ice cream.
The ice cream.
Now you have two.
This one. Okay. And we have this heart poppet. And we have
What is that?
this flip and fold puzzle poppet.
Maybe you have to open it. You have to review them.
We have this. Here, let me take it out.
Oh, is that the one that Olivia had?
And this one is like cool because like
I like that.
yeah, that's what it is. And we have this three-sided like fidget spinner and dimple thing. I've seen this. Ooh. Look,
Oh, hey, can I see?
it actually works better. Then we have this.
Oh, these work better. Is it those new bracelets that came out?
It's a poppet bracelet. Okay. But this is a poppet bracelet. And we have this unicorn tangle. It's so cute. And then we have this de-enabler.
That's cute. I like the it glows in the dark. It glows
and
in
it
the
lights
dark.
up.
It
Oh, look
lights
at it.
up.
That's cool.
I can never get these.
These are bigger than I thought. I thought they were like different things.
Now, ooh,
Oh, let
it
me see
feels
that.
so good.
Ooh, can I check?
Wait.
And these are the. Do they come apart or no?
I don't know.
No, they don't.
No.
But
I
these
think
are,
they did. Remember? No?
No,
Okay. No.
these are like the.
The little ones, huh?
Yeah.
No, the big ones.
These are the big ones of those
Yeah, the little ones.
rings.
Yeah, the
magnet,
little ring ones.
And this snapper. And this tangle. We have a wacky track. No. Bike chain.
Yeah, that's true. And then this is
I like the color. And then we have a red and blue dimple. Simple dimple.
simple. So we have two more things in this box.
We have this avocado squishy.
It's like,
And then this is the last thing. What's it called?
okay, we're gonna look at that box.
What is it called? Marble mesh.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got all those now. After this, I want you guys to see this.
Dang, these are a lot of stuff in that one.
2 bags. Honestly, what? Honestly, I'm speechless.
Is that avocado?
It's like,
Okay, I'm
I
gonna
like this. It's cool.
I'm gonna put everything out one by one. the wacky track. I like how this one feels.
Ooh,
You feel it?
ooh, I like
We have
this
this one.
It feels like.
That one was. Do you want me to put the fidgets in the bucket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That way you know where they're at. What is this one?
A tangle.
A tangle?
Okay. So then we have a blue and orange wacky track. And then we have this football, squishy football. And then we have monkey noodles.
Those. Ooh.
Those are cute.
Mm.
And then we have, a mochi.
Cute.
This one's cute.
Is that like a little bear?
Yeah, I think. Another dimple. Dimple.
Simple dimple. They can have art.
Here, wait.
Want me to bring it back?
No, it's okay, Albert.
I like this.
I can't even push it.
Every time, whoever sent this to you, to leave a comment down below and you'll send a special shout out to them and a special thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys, so whoever sent this to me, please comment down below and we'll give you a special shout out. And whoever gave me this, I'm so thankful. Like, I even told my mom if I could have a new fidget pack, and she said no. But
Because you're not many.
I'm so thankful for you guys for sending me one. So,
Sending me one, sending me three.
yeah.
Three things.
Well, one person sent me 2 things and the other person sent me 1 thing.
Oh, that one's cute. I like the
Well, not 1
color.
thing. Okay. I'm thankful for the 2 people who sent me stuff. Please comment down below who you are. But then we have this heart poppet. And it's so cute.
It looks
Then
nice.
we have this. It's a puzzle ball. Ooh, it feels so good. And then we have 4 marble mesh. We have neon green. We have kind of neon blue. A bright red and like a neonish yellow. And then we have
Pea popper.
a pea popper. And then we have another pea popper.
2 pea poppers.
Ooh, okay. Then we have 3 more mochis.
Ooh, look at the little white one.
Okay. Then we have this black and red tangle.
What is that?
That's
Oh, is that what it is?
Black and red tangle. And then we have this like fidget pad thing.
Oh, that's cool. Can I see that?
Yeah, I love them. And then we
They look
have
satisfying.
a bunch of these like ring things. I forgot what they're called.
Me too.
Sensory rings. I think that's what they're called. So I have whitish and a gold. I think silver and gold. And then 2 bike chains. And then another simple dimple.
Simple dimple.
Don't forget to tell them about your TikTok, how you got
Oh yeah, so my Ariana Ra TikTok, it got banned. And then I made another account and that one got banned.
So she'll be starting another one.
I have a simple dimple. And now for the next one.
Bad. The last one.
Okay. And then these 2 mochis, it's pink and green. And then we have
Another pea popper.
this pea popper.
We have 3 pea poppers.
No,
Or 4.
4.
We said that at the same time. No, we have. Oh, then we have more.
Okay. there's this wacky track. And then we have
A girl made on
this
TikTok.
one.
She made this thing.
It has like this wheel thing, this thing, and it has this like textured thing on the side, and this like switch, and this thing, and this. Then we have this red marble mesh. I love marble meshes. I just love them so much. Ooh! And then we have this wacky track.
Wacky
I love these. I love wacky tracks. So then we have a football.
We have two. Look right here.
Oh yeah, 2 footballs. Okay, and then pack of monkey noodles.
Monkey. I love it.
Okay, but yeah, that was all. But
Regina
actually,
has one.
look at this. Like, you know, I'm gonna dump it out.
Should we count them?
Yeah. Where was the other ball?
It's right here. Just
Okay. We're gonna sort them.
yeah.
So Poppets, roll 1.
All the poppets. Even the simple dimple.
No, only Poppets.
And the simple dimple. Just put them right here.
Yeah.
What is this?
I don't know. So we're putting all the simple dimples right there. Monkey noodles.
Is it? What is this? A simple dimple?
That's a bracelet. A Poppet bracelet here.
So that goes in the poppet.
Yeah.
And this one should go with this one. These
Yeah.
Because they're the same ones.
Mhm.
Not the same, but like.
So I'm looking for the monkey noodles. They're all basically right here. I found like 3. Okay.
Oh look, I put them all together.
Right here. One right here.
Okay, I'm gonna put these ones. Let's go with that. Oh my gosh.
Is that it? Yeah, I think this is it. So,
Where should we put the pea poppies?
just put them anywhere. Okay.
We can put them right here.
Footballs, right there.
We need more puppets, girl.
Dang, I didn't even see those.
Hey,
No.
where did these go? Anyway?
Yeah. Here, put these like right here.
Yeah.
And
That was
another table.
And these ones go together. Those should go. Look, they're here.
Yeah. Okay. Now mochis.
Wait, the squishies go right there?
Squishies can go over here.
Nope. That one.
Oh yeah. Okay, now snappers. We have 2 snappers, so they can go right here. I'm gonna get these rings.
Right here.
We're sorting them.
Oh, you guys
Yeah.
I got a lot.
Okay.
Now, marble mash.
Another right here.
Jeez, you know all that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What is this?
Squishy.
Those go there.
What
This
is
is
this?
pretty
Just
fun.
keep on going like this?
Yeah.
Keep on playing with it like this?
And then we have another.
Oh, look at a unicorn.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one. Did you show them this one? This is cute. This is really cute, guys. Thank you, guys, whoever sent
You
it.
showed them this.
Okay, guys, look at all this that we got.
Yay!
Like, this is actually insane.
This is a lot.
I don't know who would send these, but if you
Let me
did
see.
send them, I'm so thankful.